young people are being taught not only to.
Of course, we see that this. Have you ever opened a book and suddenly found yourself somewhere else? Yeah. One moment you're sitting in your room, on the veranda or at work, and the next you're traveling to a new country, reliving historical events, meeting unfamiliar people, discovering new ideas, and experiencing life through someone else's eyes. You learn new words, new perspectives, and sometimes even new versions of yourself. That feeling of being completely immersed in a new world is the power of books, and that power is what brings us here today.
What makes this program so powerful, though, to us is that it pairs literacy with public speaking, because we know that reading gives us words, but public speaking teaches us how to use them effectively.
We commend you for being innovative. Your leadership and your bold commitment to advancing the cause of reading, and we foresee that your program will demonstrate that culture is the linchpin of education.
Enough man will never experience the joy, the liver, if you go river, go beard, and take a one splash. Enough man will never witness a band dance or session or get this reggae music utilized as a weapon in the form of a sound clash.
Be careful, don't turn these lines. And I love to see your smiling face, something little ones again. I love to see them smile. Oh, I love to see them smiling, oh yeah.
Well, I'm absolutely grateful for the support of today's launch of my National Youth Empowerment Initiative. I can say that I was really impressed with the program. I'm so grateful for all the supporters, the sponsors, the partners, the students, the administrators, and everybody who turned out to be a part of it. What I can say is that persons are encouraged to follow the social media page, JA on Instagram. Stay tuned for all that we have in store, especially through our partners with Jamaica Library Service, and the work. So thank you everyone who has supported me thus far. We will open the door for other partners and opportunities to come on board, but of course, grateful for the launch, so let the work continue.